Hello everyone and welcome to this video where today in front of us we got a micro SD card right here from SanDisk. But before that, I wanted to say that this is going to be a experimental video where this is going to be an unboxing but also a tutorial. However, this video is going to be scriptless, and yeah, I hope this will be a short and little quick fun video for you guys to enjoy and chill with me. Anyway, let's get into the main dish, which is going to be this micro SD card right here. Now before that, I wanted to say that I bought this because I actually need it and it's really cheap, like it's $6. But yeah, my phone here is just really full, not a pleasant experience living with, and it's just the worst. I get so much notification about my memory being full and I can't even make a video because my videos are long and it's a memory hog. So I really actually need this. But let's just talk about the product itself right now. As you can see, this is a memory card from SanDisk, which I really like the product. I have been using them for a really long time and it haven't failed for me once yet, but knock on wood. But yeah, I chose them because it's just a really good and reliable product, and this is a micro SD card anyway, it's not gonna fail that easily. And not only that, this memory card right here have a really long warranty, but we'll get to that later. Anyway, as you can see, these have their own app right here, and we can see full HD video, which is true because this supports up to 100 megabytes per second speed, and that's pretty fast for 1080p video. Not only that, you can see this is a 10 in a circle, which means class 10, and I have to say that micro SD specs are kinda complicated, like it has a lot of logos and symbols, and when you actually know what that means, it's actually really useful. Which, speaking of that, I might make a video sooner or later where I'm gonna talk about the specs and what does this weird symbol means, so make sure to subscribe so you won't miss it when I do upload that video. And yeah, as you can see, I got the 64GB version here. That's a lot. That's actually the same size as my phone right now, so I'll be doubling my storage. And once again, this is the SanDisk Ultra MicroSDXC UHS-1 card, which is a lot of jibber jabbers if you don't know the meaning. So yeah, subscribe. Anyway, that's enough of this, and this is the sticker for the warranty. Let's get into the back. You can see a lot of text here where this is gonna say that 1GB is actually 1000 or blah blah blah. It's actually not the real space, so when you're buying the 64GB, you're actually not getting 64, and that's just how flash memory data works, like gigabyte, GB, or reserve partition, which again, I might actually do a video on that, but make sure to subscribe so you won't miss it when I do actually make that video. Anyway, the last part that I want to say is this 7-year warranty. So yeah, 7 years, that is a lot of years for this memory card. Anyway, let's just get this open right now and let's see, will it work? Alright, let's grab our scissor here and just cut it. There's a line here which you can see, and I'm just gonna cut it over there. Hopefully, there we go. Maybe I got it open. I did. And just rip it apart like whoa. Okay, very bad job, but there we go, we got it open. I didn't even look at the camera. Hopefully it's all in focus, and we got it here. And yeah, let's just unpack this thing really quick. Okay, we got it open, and let's just plop it out right here. And yeah, this is it. This is backward and it really small, and as you can see, 64GB class 10 micro SDXC1, a lot of bull crap. But yeah, this is the memory card right here, hopefully not too dark. And let's just shove it into our phone right here, which I got myself a SIM card ejector right there, and let's just use it. Now my phone have the SIM card right here on the left, and let's just poke it out. Your phone might actually be on the top or even on the bottom, I don't know, it depends on your phone. But yeah, let's just poke it out and just pull it out carefully, of course. And there we go. As you can see, this is my SIM card and my old SD card right here, and all I gotta do is just replace the old one right here. Hopefully this won't mess up my recording, my voice recording, which as you can see, I'm recording right now through my dongle, so hopefully it's still safe. If you're hearing bad audio, then it's not. But yeah, there you go. Just install the new one, if you can read that. 64GB. Also, there's some weird numbers on my SIM card. Hopefully I didn't dox myself, but let's just shove it in there again. and hopefully it will work. And with my phone, which is a Xiaomi, it actually doesn't reboot, so all you gotta do is just check it back on. It is recording actually, and it says that we got our SanDisk card right here, not in focus. I'm sorry, I'm a bad YouTuber. But if you can see, and let's just go here, can we see we got 64 gigabyte right here. We got 64 actually, which is weird because it's not supposed to be like that. But yeah, all you gotta do now, you gotta format it so the phone will communicate with it properly. As you can see, this is in Indonesian, but I'm just gonna format it really quick. Just don't disconnect your SD card while you wait, and there we go. It just finished formatting, and boom, where's my SD card? Did I have to freaking... Well, never mind, it's actually here. Let's just format it again, I guess. Why you want to format it like 10 million times? I don't know why, but let's just wait. And it's done, right? It's done actually, yeah? Yeah, it is now. Okay, let's just go to my file manager to see if it actually works. Go to MicroSD and there you go. It's all here now. We got all the files, and be right back, okay? I'm just gonna screen record something so you can see better. Alright, so I finally got the screen recording right now, and as you can see on my memory right here, it's all set up. That was a little weird, little buggy, but my phone is pretty old, so that's probably why. But as you can see, I got 64 gigabyte right here, and I can probably take some pictures or even go to file manager and actually drop some things here, like this photo right here. It's good. And yeah, let's just plug it in DCIM and just boom, there you go. It's in here now, and let's just see if it actually consumes a little bit. There you go. As you can see, it decreased by just a little bit, and yeah, it's all works. I can probably take some picture right now. I don't know if it will interfere with my audio. Hopefully not. This is on MicroSD, and just like take this picture, I guess. Bam, and then another one. This is so laggy, but bam, and this should save to my SD card right here, and there you go. As you can see, it's saved on my SD card. And if I go back to here, file manager, SD card, go to this camera, and there you go. You can see it, it's also in there, so it works fine. Nothing's wrong right now. And yeah, that's probably gonna be it for today. Just a little quick demo for you guys of how to install your micro SD card onto your phone. And yeah, it all works fine right now, and nothing's wrong, and the memory card works just fine, and I really like that. I will be making more videos now because, you know, my memory is actually not full all the time, and that is very great. So that's all I gotta say for this video. Thank you so much for watching this little stupid video that is probably gonna be really bad in quality. I hope this is fun for you to watch, and if you found this very helpful, you can also hit that like button down below. My phone is very slidey, and of course you can subscribe if you want more of this content, and also the 2 content that I might make in the future. But yeah, that's all I got for now, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.